Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna unbox 10 toys under $10. So our first toy is Chelsea. As you can see, she's wearing a nice pink skirt and a green top with pink hairband. Let's open it up. There she is. Wow, she's got nice long hair. Nice cute shiny hair and pink shoes and a nice floral skirt. She's smiling. I like her. She's got nice pink shoes and pink floral skirt and a green top and a pink hairband. And she's smiling. I like her. Our next toy is a unicorn squad 5 surprise, and let's open it up. Wow, look at this. Here we go guys, I've just opened it up and it's got different sections and we got this nice little chart. Let's see who we got. Wow, that's a comb. And that looks like some hair accessories. It's a crown and a hairband and another crown in a wand. What's this? This looks like a putty and it's blue with glitters. There you go. It's nice and squeezy and smells good. You can see the glitters. What's our next surprise? Wow, this looks like a belt and a cute pink skirt and purple shoes. Oh, they're so adorable. That's so cute. Oh, that's cute. So adorable. Let's see what's in this last surprise. Wow, that's a pink unicorn. Let's open it up. Oh, that's cute. So adorable. It's got a nice pink tail and a lovely pink necklace. I love the pink horn. And what's this? Oh, that goes in there. I've just put her shoes on and her hair and she looks so adorable. Hello! Okay, our next toy is Zuru Sparkle Girl Super Sparkly Winter Princess. Here she comes. That's a lovely dress. She's got nice long silky hair and a cute dress. I like the fur here and she's got really pretty eyes. I like her and she's wearing blue shoes. So cute. Hello. Okay, our next toy is our sparkly dinosaur. So you can Just changes the color. So if you turn this way, it turns black. You can make it all black, or you can just leave it as glitter. That's very sparkly, Mr. Dinosaur. Here's our next toy. It's called Mini Dolls and Bunk Bed Set. Oops. Ooh, her head is gone. I'm gonna have to fix it. Let's open it up. Okay guys, I've just fixed her head. Now she looks pretty. And she's got a cute pillow and a sheet. And that's her sister, I guess. Is it time for sleep yet? It's our lovely dolls under $10. Okay, our next toy is Music Caruso, and that's a pink one with pink and white horses and golden combination. So let's see how this one is. Okay, I've just unboxed this one and it's cute, very cute. See the music. That's not bad for $10. Okay, our next toy is a puppy in a bag. Look, the bag is so glittery. And you can actually open it. Okay, the puppy is attached to the bag. But he's nice and cozy inside. And you can see our puppy. He's cute and adorable. He's got nice, cute blue bows and hats on the back. And you can sit there safe inside. Guys, I actually like this blue and silver combination. That gives us a cute look for this puppy with nice bows. Okay, our next toy is a wooden dollhouse living room furniture set. As you can see, it's got a TV unit, TV, a coffee table, a sofa, and a stand for the vase. That's a sofa or a chair. That's a TV unit and carpet and a nice pillow for the sofa. That's a side table and a vase, and that's a coffee table there. Oops. And finally our TV. So you can watch something on the TV. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Next toy is a mini dolls and school play set. Okay, I've just unboxed this school play set, and we have a boy with a chair and a table and 2 English books and a student girl, and that's a blackboard. And we've got a little scissor here. As you can see, a calculator and a cute pen. And we got snacks. It's orange juice and chocolate. Oh, it's actually biscuits. Okay, and we've got a school bag and some stuff that's used in school. As you can see, hope you like my school play set, guys. Okay, our last toy for today is a horse. It's royal breeds Arabian Stallion. It's got long silky black hair and a nice silky pony, black saddle, and it's in dark brown with a comb. Okay, that's our horse, and that's the tail there, and we can just comb it. It's quite pretty. Nice and strong. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.